Hello, good morning. Welcome back. Today we are trading Tesla call options two separate times. So if you guys like options trading, you want to see something a little bit different, today's your video. We get into two different calls, what happens with it. Tesla made some crazy moves today along with the market, kind of up and down and all around. What happened in Tesla today? Let's trade. Okay, so as you guys know, we traded Tesla options today, and they were call options. And you can see Tesla here is making a nice big move down towards $1,000. So I was looking at the 1050 calls here on Tesla on this nice drop down towards 1,000. And I was thinking if we get down towards $5 on the premium, it's looking pretty good. So I put an order out, and I get filled there, one contract, one call at 510, and I'm watching it and I'm really hoping in this case that I can add some more in. I'm ready to go at 450 for an add here if it wants to get down there and let me get in to a bigger size position here, because this is making a real nice move. The premiums moved really fast, and it has the potential to, once it bounces, to move fast back up in my direction. It gets down to like 470, 480 on the premiums. I'm not able to get an add here on this one. It starts bouncing a little bit, and I'm looking at it, I'm like, you know what? I'll just put this thing out at a $1 profit on the premium if it can shoot up there and get me. So I put the order out there to sell the contract at 610 on the premium. So you see Tesla starts to bounce here. It's moving back up towards the 1010s. It's moving pretty quickly, and just like that, we're filled. We were in this trade for less than 1 minute, made $100 on one contract here on Tesla. Now this would have been real nice had I been able to get that add in at 450, because these things went up into the 7s, maybe even the 8s if I remember correctly on this Tesla bounce here. So if I had been able to get that second contract, could have been real good and made a bunch more money. But hey, $100 on one contract here in Tesla, I will never ever complain about that. About 30 minutes later, you can see Tesla did bounce earlier, but then continued in this big down direction. We're now moving down towards the 990s, and here when I first started looking at it, the premiums were up in the 350s, so I'm like, okay, if we can make another nice big move, get down towards the 250s, I will look to start another call option contract here with a limit at 260. So I have it a little bit above 250 just in case it gets down real quick and bounces off of that kind of $0.50 there between 2 and 3 at the 250. So I'm watching it. I'm watching to see if it get down below the 993 here on the stock price, and watching the options move as well. Unfortunately, you guys can't see them on my screen, but here it is. It's moving down into the 992s. Can it get below 992 into the 991s towards that big theoretical support line around 990? There it moves into the 991s. So I'm watching the premiums here, and as soon as I start to see it start to just hold up for a second here, I'm going to go ahead and click the button to get filled, and I am in another call contract here, still the 1050s at 260 on the premiums. So I'm watching it here. It's like moving towards 990. If we get down 230, only 30 cents below this time because the price of the premiums is so much lower, I will try and add in at 230. It actually does dip below 230 for just a second as it moves down towards the $900 mark, and I believe even possibly below 900 it gets right here on this move on Tesla. So it gets right down to 900, it gets below 900 here, and I'm looking to do that add in. I actually clicked the button as it was right around that 230 area, but I never get a fill here. I never get filled on this ad at 230, and then that's right when Tesla starts popping back up in my direction. So I go ahead and cancel that order out, and I'm going to put an order out at 290 just to fill me here. Not looking for nearly as big of a move on this bounce of Tesla because of the big down direction, because of the relatively small option prices. Now I just put it out at 290, and I get filled there for another $30 on that Tesla call. So that's it there on Tesla, trading two calls and making $130 there. I'm pretty happy with that. And that was it for the day. The rest of the kind of moves that I like to look for weren't really happening too much today. Tesla was really the main big mover that I saw, so that's what I traded, and still made some money out there with the options. Hopefully you guys enjoyed these option videos, not just stocks, doing some stuff a little bit different. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.